Good morning. The market witnessed turnaround of sorts after Mayawati announced that Bhushan Samajwadi Party will vote in the favor of government. The Rajya Sabha is geared to vote on the government's decision to allow foreign direct investment in multi-brand retail today. With 94 MPs and 9 nominated MPs, the UPA is more or less assured of 103. It would have been 104, but Sachin Tendulkar is busy on the cricket field battling England. Mayawati's 15 MPs take the total to 118. Samajwadi Party with 9 MPs abstain. The market is set to open on a positive note. Perhaps as the day proceeds, the Nifty could touch the psychological levels of 6,000. The level of 5,950 remain an immediate hurdle, and above that, indices could touch 6,100 in the near term. Asian stocks are up this morning. South Korea's Kospi Index and Japan's Nikkei 225 stock average are in the green, and so is the case with the Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index and China's Shanghai Composite Index. US indices notched some gains thanks to the tech counters including Apple, which showed some recovery. Data shows lesser Americans filed applications for unemployment benefits. The European Central Bank slashed its growth and inflation forecast of 2013. Investors are betting on further easing in monetary policy next year after interest rates were kept on hold on Thursday. President Obama said there has been some movement on the Republican side towards allowing rate to rise on high-income taxpayers, adding that the fiscal cliff issues could be resolved in about a week. The rupee added 40 paisa to hit a month high of 54.14 against the US dollar. The dollar gained ground versus the euro and the British pound but slipped against the Japanese yen. The FI has been at buys of Rs 8.38 billion in the cash segment on Thursday, while the domestic institutional investors were net sellers of Rs 6.62 billion as per the provisional figures released by the NSE. The foreign funds were net buyers of Rs 7.19 billion in the cash segment on Wednesday, according to the SEBI figures. Moving on to recommendations, the technical call for the day is: we recommend selling Larsen & Toubro December futures below Rs 1,675 for the target price of Rs 1,615 and stop loss placed at Rs 1,705. Our derivative strategy for the day is long Jindal Steel December future above Rs 409 for the target price of Rs 423 and stop loss placed at Rs 402. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.